in this video for A2PE, is to introduce you to the concept of angular momentum. And to do that, we need to revisit Newton's first law. So what we previously called N1, but in terms of angular or rotational motion, we need to refer to as Newton's analog one. So it's no longer Newton's law of motion or linear motion, but it's Newton's analog of rotational motion. So Newton's analog one. And Newton's analog one, I've kind of got partially written here underneath, but it states rather than a body or all bodies, it actually states that a rotating body will continue in its state of constant, and of course in terms of linear motion we would have said velocity, but now we're going to state constant angular, which of course means spinning, turning, angular momentum. So it will continue in a state of constant angular momentum until an external, what we would have said previously, force, but because of this is rotation, we're talking about a torque, which is a rotation, is a force that produces rotation. So the rotating body will continue in its state of constant angular momentum until an external torque compels it to change its state of rotation. So this is what we refer to as Newton's first analog. And basically what it's saying is that if a body is rotating or turning in a part circle or circle, it will continue to do so with constant angular momentum. Constant angular momentum. So in other words,